I'm going to be explaining to you how to create your OKX wallet. How to create your OKX wallet as a Nigerian. Many people are looking for ways to create their OKX wallet in Nigeria and they are confused because they are aware or they have heard that OKX exchange is not allowed in Nigeria. That is true. The OKX exchange is not allowed in Nigeria. When you go to the list of countries where you have the OKX on the OKX app, Nigeria is not included. That means we are excluded. Previously, Nigeria was included, but we were knocked out due to reasons best known to them, maybe regulatory or thereabout. But we cannot take part in the exchange, but Nigerians can have the OKX wallet. With this OKX wallet, you can receive funds into your wallet. At the same time, you can move the funds from your wallet to your Ton wallet, to your Bitcoin account. You can move it to your Bybit. You can move it to other crypto accounts. Now, crypto airdrop enthusiasts are wondering because Memify, Tomarket, and many more have tasks that relate to OKX exchange. In fact, Memify specifically is wanting to use only OKX exchange. So you go to your Play Store and then you type in OKX. The only thing you will find there, the only OKX you will find there is only one. You cannot find OKX wallet on your Play Store. But what you will find is OKX buy Bitcoin, BTC, or crypto, and that is referring to the OKX exchange. So you click on it and then you install it on your system. After installation, there are two interfaces on the OKX. One is OKX Exchange. The other one is OKX Wallet. That means on the interface. So one is OKX Exchange, the other one is OKX Wallet. If you click on the exchange, which is up there, you are not going to be able to log in or to be able to sign up as a Nigerian. But if you are from other countries that are allowed, like Nigeria Republic, I see Nigeria Republic is allowed, and many other countries are allowed, you can go on and create your OKX Exchange account. But if you're in Nigeria, you click on OKX Wallet, and then when you get to OKX Wallet, it's going to show you Web3, and then from Web3, it's going to open up, and then it's going to ask you for your password that you're going to use. You're going to make your password, you will retype it again to make sure it's correct. After that, it's going to ask you a series of questions, and then just make sure that you write your password down and then other things. Then as you go on, after creating the account, it's going to ask you to back up the account. In backing up the account, you are going to be given seed phrase, a 12 word seed phrase. This seed phrase, you must write it down. And you write it down somewhere secure so that anytime you have any issue with the account, you can use the seed phrase to get your account back. If you lose your seed phrase, you are not going to be able to get back your account. Now, after you have gotten the password and then gotten to the point of seed phrase, you are going to be asked to get some word. Maybe they are going to ask you that in your seed phrase, what is the first word? What is the sixth word? What is the 12th word? What is the 10th word? So you click, they'll give you options ABC, then you click which one day is the third, which one is the 12th, which one is the sixth. This you can get when you have already written down the seed phrase. So with this, you are good to go. Then you can now link up the OKS account with your Mimify or other such uses that you want to use it for. So this is the simple way to create the OKX wallet, and even though you are in Nigeria. So if you have any question or comments, you can ask me in the comment section below and I'll be happy to respond to you. This is Dr. Lubengade TV. On this TV, I teach you how to make money online and how to make money offline. So currently, I'm focusing on airdrop and on cryptocurrency specifically. So come along with me, and if you have any question or comment, or you want me to produce a kind of video that you want, you can drop it in the comment section below. In my comment section, one individual has been posting different things talking about seed phrase. Please don't react to that because he's going to scam you if you join him or ask him any question. He's going to scam you. So just be careful in the crypto world. So don't be afraid, but just be careful. I'm going to talk to you in the next video. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also share the link of this video with your family and friends. I will see you in the next one. Then before we see in the next one, This video popping up by the side is the next you need to watch. Please take your time to see many more of my videos and you'll be glad you did. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.